This is how crazy revenge trading is. It's like I don't even feel anything right now. I feel like I want more. I feel like I want to trade. So I'll call it there. Dude, I gotta log off. I'm gonna log off, man. Alright, peace. What's going on, YouTube? It's Payout Pete here, back with another trade review. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you like I knew how to navigate this day, because honestly, I didn't. I mean, a good short spot I can say is obviously weekly open. It's a spot that typically offers a pretty strong reaction, but today you'll see in the next charts that I got chopped up pretty good there because it took so long to. I mean, I actually longed it first, and I think I tried to short it, or I was playing mental gymnastics trying to get in a short and I never did, and then eventually I caught the knife. But this gigabit took us all the way back to fill in some of this gap from the weekly open, and then we kind of sliced through all of this whole node to reach the other side of this high time frame distribution. And I ended up blowing up my first pro account. And then I revenge traded. I revenge traded so hard. I copy traded 4 accounts. And if you look to the top left, I copy traded 4 accounts. Have pretty good P&L on all of them. And I still don't give a shit. I still want more. That's the problem with revenge trading. It's never enough. Let's drop on down to the 5-minute time frame, see what the hell happened today. Switching over to the other accounts real quick so we can talk about the accounts that I traded after. First trade of the day for me was actually a fucking dumbass short. Excuse my language. 725 bar. I got short, and the reason why I got short was because I didn't get filled in my long because I pulled my order. And you'll see in the rest of the video, I pulled my order long right here about 309, 308, something like that. Because I don't know, I hesitated, and hesitation in high volatility markets can cost you. It was my zone, it was my high time frame LVN or taper area at 290, 300, and was forming a doji candle at the time. So I set a limit order, then I pulled it right before it came down and tapped me. So what do you do naturally, right? You fail to get long, so you get short like an idiot. So I got stupid short at the high of day on this massive rip up, and I died. I paid the price. We rip up. At this point, I'm like, okay, look, I'll wait for weekly open to see what happens here. I get long here at 750 because I saw all of this absorption on the tape reader, and it failed to move higher. So I get long. I get about maybe 10 points of MFE. It comes down, slams down, stops me out. At this point, I'm thinking about flipping short. I do flip. I'm not even sure where this long entry came from. I don't remember going long here, but I think I longed and then I stopped break even. Anyways, I flipped short because we traded above weekly open, and then we're starting to roll over. Took one lot off here before it ripped up and stopped me out, break even on the rest. And as we started chopping in this weekly open range, I'm consistently thinking like we could roll over from here. I mean, we're seeing the doji candles. We saw double barrel doji candle here, set 810, 815 bar. I mean, that's a double barrel shotgun. I would take that short, but I'm so hesitant on the market today. I'm just so hesitant. I didn't try to limit in on weekly open again. So what did I do, right? You fail to get short, you go long. You long previous day high. And I literally actually chased it up too. I didn't even wait. I actually, as this market bid up on this 15-second, I dragged my entry up, which is always the worst thing for me to do. As soon as I did, I knew I made a mistake, and I took instant heat, stopped out. As I'm watching this whole market sell off here, I'm switching accounts. I have already entered revenge mode because of that failed long attempt at 710. So I swap accounts. I swap over to my other accounts and I copy trade 4 pro accounts across Lucid. And I get long at the VWAP first touch. Peel off half at around 20 points, about 1.5 R. And then I get stopped out on the rest. At this point, I mean, it doesn't seem like if VWAP can't hold this sell-off, nothing's gonna hold this fucking sell-off. So I get short after we break under IB after overnight high, and I get short overnight high, and we're probably gonna make new low a day or some bullshit at this point. Catch you guys on the next one. Stay for the rest of the video, see how these trades played out. It's pretty brutal. Thanks guys for watching. Bought the literal highs here at the weekly open when just noticed massive absorption here on the tape. Sellers aren't able to get anything done, so I long the high, and we're going for this whole purple zone gap fill. Stop is very tight in case we just fall under. Peeling off first TPs. Not 2R, but see if it holds here. Dead. Starting to see lower highs here, getting short, tight risk. Oh man, I think I might be dead here, boys. I'm dead. That's daily loss limit for me. Oh my gosh. It literally caught the knife after multiple rejections from weekly open. Oh, I got chopped up here, weekly open. I gotta call it. Oh my gosh. Trying long, bro. Dead. I peeled some off to cover the trade idea. Alright, man. If I TP on these, I gotta instant X out my charts and journal later because I might do dumb shit. More dumb shit. I gotta close the charts out, man. Damn. I mean, I'm revenge trading. I might as well should have just added right there. That's kind of retarded of me. It doesn't make any sense why I wouldn't have added there. I was like, I'm already revenge trading. Might as well make it, you know. Or exactly. Alright, man, I should call it. I don't even feel anything right now. I feel like I want more. I feel like I want to trade. So I'll call it there. Dude, I gotta log off. I'm gonna log off, man. Alright, peace.